This is Whistling Gas here. We're on the line. We got an enormous monster. Y'all gotta be patient with me. I gotta reel with the cell phone. So, trying to get him in. Oh, he's heavy. Oh, it's a big old grass carp. Oh. They're getting him in though. I'll use the grass carp as bait. And get my net. It's hard to do by myself. Trying to get him. I'm gonna give him a yeet. Oh. I'll reel it in more. Oops, sorry, I covered the lens there. All right, now he's coming in. He's coming in. Oh, shit. Wow, we got him. Oh, that's a good one. Get him up over the bank. He's bigger than my foot there, so show you guys how big he is. I caught him off of a worm. Shelby! Everybody say hi, Shelby. She's my watchdog. Oh well, over and out.